The Swiss company Gilgen Logistics produces complex logistic machines used in many kinds of warehouses. In case of a problem, the operator of the machine can contact the Gilgen call center that operates 24/7. The operator of the machine you see on the left side can be anywhere on Earth, whereas the Gilgen support on the right side is located in Switzerland. For a solution, the Gilgen support can ask the operator to put on the Hololens headset. After scanning the machine's marker, the Gilgen support knows exactly about which machine they are talking. The Gilgen support sees on his desktop software the machine in 3D and gets a live video from the camera in the Hololens headset. The Gilgen support can now see exactly what the operator sees. The Gilgen support can show the operator with 3D augmentation what he has to do to solve the problem. The operator sees in 3D what the Gilgen support explains him. In this case, the operator has to adjust a security laser sensor so that it hits the reflector at the top again. The operator can hear the instructions of the Gilgen support, whereas the support can see what the operator does. Such explanations without Hololens support would be impossible and would lead to expensive production interruption. The Gilgen support engineer sees on his desktop web application everything he needs to know. On the top left, he sees the 3D model of the machine. On the top right, he sees the live video stream from the Hololens camera that the operator wears. The Gilgen support can point out any 3D animation to the operator. As the operator moves, the virtual machine model is augmented precisely over the real machine. With this kind of audio, visual and interactive communication, most support activities can be solved with on-site personnel.